So now we're going to add the breadcrumbs. That's just regular Progressive plain breadcrumbs here. We've got a 1/4 cup of melted cheese. And then we're going to add in our favorite rub. Just whatever your favorite rub is. Okay, we're going to mix this up really well. And then we are going to add it to our mac and cheese. And then we are going to put the mac and cheese onto the smoker. We've got one more ingredient we're going to add to though. Got to mix this up really well. You don't want any of those breadcrumbs that are not mixed in there well, otherwise it won't be very good. You got to mix it up really well. Just kind of like a paste. Okay.